I wonder if there's anything I can take that will make my hair grow faster. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Obviously, I don't know why I say that every time. I just can't think of a better way to greet y'all. Anyway, today we're talking all about collagen, and specifically the Girl in the Sea Marine Collagen Dietary Supplement. So I've been asked several times if there's anything I take for my hair to help increase my hair health, and I have tried a lot of different hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I've tried other collagen supplements, and honestly, nothing really worked for me. I never noticed a difference in my nails. My skin is my skin, and my hair is just kind of my hair. And Girl in the Sea reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in trying their collagen supplement. And I was a little skeptical. I was very honest with them, and I said, look guys, I have tried collagen supplements in the past and they've all been gross. They've been gritty, they've had a weird flavor. Like, I'll try yours, but I'm just not sure if I'm gonna like it or not. And they said, no big deal, no problem at all, just go ahead and try it and let us know. And I started taking their supplement a little over a month ago, and I like it. But first, let me talk to you a little bit about the benefits of collagen, like I'm an expert. Just kidding, I'm really not. I've actually been trying to do some research for this video because the basis of my knowledge on collagen before doing my research was that there's collagen in our connective tissues in our body, which your hair, your skin, your nails is made up of kind of a connective tissue. Your tendons, your ligaments, things like that are your connective tissue, and there's a high percentage of collagen in those, and that was all I knew. So collagen comes in type 1, type 2, and type 3. And all of these different collagens have slightly different effects. And in looking at the differences between bovine-derived collagen sources and marine-derived collagen sources, I have found that bovine collagen is better for joints and connective tissues because it contains type 1 and type 3, whereas marine collagen contains mostly type 1, which gives it the most benefits for your skin. So also, in preparation for this video, I was talking with Rebecca about why she created Girl in the Sea Marine Collagen, like why she decided to do this. It's a small woman-owned business. Y'all know that I love supporting small business here on my channel. I asked her, what was her reasoning behind doing this? And she said that she's a health and fitness nut. It's something that she's really passionate about. She's also really passionate about high quality ingredients. And she wanted to provide a very clean source of collagen for the market, because there are good collagen sources out there, but she went the extra mile. There is only one ingredient in this collagen supplement. It is 100% pure hydrolyzed collagen peptides from wild-caught Pacific snapperfish. So I've been doing some research into food. I did a couple of Whole30s a while back, so I really started reading labels on my food, and I found that when it says Atlantic on your fish sources, specifically salmon, that usually means farm raised, whereas if it says Pacific, that usually means wild caught because there's no fisheries on the West Coast. Anyway, so I think that's why she was very specific by saying Pacific snapperfish. Very, very clean source. Speaking of Whole30s, this is Whole30 approved. It is non-GMO, it's paleo, it's gluten-free, it's dairy-free. So Rebecca has done everything in her power to make available a very, very clean source of collagen for an affordable price. She was also kind enough to offer all of my subscribers a discount code. If you use SWAVY15 at checkout, you will get a 15% off coupon discount. Yay! This is an affiliate link, so I would receive a very small commission if you used it. You do not have to use the code, but it is there for your convenience if you'd like to save a little bit of money. All right, moving on. I would like to tell you my personal reaction to taking this collagen. So I'm really sensitive to like smells and tastes and textures. This is my biggest problem with taking a lot of supplements. They make me feel sick. Like I take them and then 30 minutes later I lose my supplement. Sorry for the graphic visual there. This, on the other hand, completely dissolves into my smoothie. I'll insert a clip right here of the smoothie that I make with this supplement. I've shown it before here on my channel, but I throw in some bananas and some spinach, almond butter, and some almond milk, and I feel just so darn healthy when I drink that smoothie. But it's what I drink after I go for my morning run. And there is no flavor. It doesn't change the texture of my smoothie at all. And most collagen supplements have a really strong smell and can't do it. This, on the other hand, has kind of a sweet sort of vanilla scent. Even though this is the unflavored version, it still has that warm, sweet, vanilla-y scent, but that doesn't translate into the smoothie. It doesn't make my smoothie taste any different when I leave it out or when I put it in. Also, the reason my hair is in a bun for the majority of this video is I wanted to show y'all and highlight. Ever since I've started taking this, I have been noticing, at first I thought it was hair breakage and I was really freaking out, but I have started to notice a whole lot of these really short hairs. This is not hair breakage, this is hair growth. I am noticing a bunch of really cute short hairs growing. And just know that everybody goes through growth cycles and shed cycles, just like with your animals. You know, I mean, we're humans, we're a mammal, and anyway, we go through growth cycles and shed cycles. But I noticed these hairs when I started taking this supplement. Also, another thing that I noticed is that my nails are growing. I know these don't look long to you, but these are incredibly long for me. My nails never grow. And the fact that there's any nail here at all is just amazing. Like I said, I've taken hair, skin, and nail supplements before. I have taken prenatals before, which a lot of women say make their nails grow. My nails didn't grow when I was on prenatals. Like, nothing has made my nails grow. And I'm really noticing a difference, which is great. But here is, and I'll also show y'all, I'll insert a picture here of my hair right after I got a haircut. I'm sorry I didn't measure it, but this is my hair now. I want to say it's been about a month since I got my haircut. Let's check, shall we? I got my hair cut a month and a half ago, so this is 1 month's worth of growth. It's nothing insane, but it's growing. It's growing pretty well. I'm excited about it. But let me tell y'all the biggest difference that I have noticed. Excuse me while I throw it back up because hashtag mom life, hashtag bun life. This is day 2 hair, by the way, and I can't with my hair. Anyway, the biggest difference I have noticed when I have started taking this supplement is my joint pain. I know this is marine collagen, I know it's type 1, and that theoretically it's not necessarily targeted towards my joints, but little story time with Courtney. I grew up riding horses, and I actually trained horses professionally for 15 years. I hauled feed bags, 50-pound feed bags. I hauled 100-pound hay bales. I carried water buckets. I was carrying saddles, riding horses. Like, I was not kind to my body. And through a little bit of my environment and through my genetics, I actually suffer from a degenerative back condition. Some of the discs in my back are completely flat. So, I've got pain in my back. It's nothing that's not manageable, but I have back issues, pretty significant back issues. I also run a lot. I'm trying to pretend to be a marathoner. Not really a marathoner, I'm just training for a half marathon right now, but that means I run a lot of miles in a week. And I was starting to really have pain in my knees. It's really common to runners. I think it's called runner's knee. And oh boy, it doesn't feel good. So my back is hurting, my knees are hurting, and I've tried fish oil, I've tried the natural pain remedies. Oh, I've tried a lot of those. I've tried Advil and Tylenol. I've tried all the things. And nothing was really giving me long-term relief in my joints. And I've tried them. I started taking this, and I noticed my knee pain within a week went away completely, and my back wasn't nearly as sore. And I thought, oh cool, my body is just getting used to the running. I'm finally getting in shape, right? So I went through an entire bottle of this and then reordered, and it took a while. I didn't plan very well, and it took a while for the shipment to get to me. I would say about 2 weeks. And during the interim, my knees started to really hurt again, and my back became more sore. And you know what else happened? My nails broke. I was so sad. They were so long and pretty, and they broke. Anyway, it still didn't click for me until I got my second bottle and I started taking it, and within 3 or 4 days, my knee pain went away again, and I went, oh, it was the collagen. Nothing else about my running changed. Not the mileage, nothing. Not the routes I was running. It was just the collagen. So for me to have such an incredible benefit from taking this, for there to be no nasty flavor or gritty texture, I am so excited. I know I'm going to have to take this for an extended period of time before I start to see a change in the texture of my skin or in the quality of my hair. I have heard anywhere from 6 weeks to 6 months. Research varies. I'm just saying 6 months in my head. But for me to have such a decrease in my joint pain, a noticeable, consistent decrease in my joint pain, that has been an incredible blessing to me, and I'm really grateful for it. So anyway, that's all I have to say about the supplements I take for my hair, because collagen has great benefits for your hair and it also has benefits for your joints. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you would, please subscribe and hit that bell. Smash it. Oh my goodness, I'm such a dork. I'm just, if you hit the bell, then you're notified when I upload, and we can hang out some more, and it'll be great. If you found this video helpful at all, please hit the thumbs up button. I would really, really appreciate it. It helps me out. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!